Hello guys, this is Atl Stackz, and I want to show you how to make a FRND style beat. Actually, I want to just break it down because I already have it made. So like for FRND, he usually has like these synth sounds, which is like future bass. And the way you like get like this future bass type like synth sound, all you do is just like find a synth, play some notes, and then put in some effects. And the main effects is reverb. Then it's like a phaser. And then an auto wah. And that's what gives you like this wavy like future bass synth sound. Then I had like signs. It gives it more of an EDM feel. And yeah, like FRND usually has like a very like trap style bass. Like whenever it's like bass drops, you hear like a whole lot of like trap instruments and stuff. So the way I got like that note to slide, I went to this envelope tool, double click this note, and that's what gives you the option to like slide bass notes. And if you want to like pan out instruments or notes, just go here, hit note pan, and it'll give you the option to make it go left or right for each note. And then I also went to this cue right here, double clicked it all the way till I got to 148, and that allowed me to put some notes in triple time, which I did for these three notes right here. Then I had this sound right here to give it more of a dark feel to contrast all that light sound. And like for FRND, he usually has like an acoustic sound, so I just placed in some guitars and stuff. It's like minimalistic pop with like guitars and stuff. So now that we heard every instrument and most of the rhythms, I'm going to play how it sounds. So yeah, that's the basics how to make like a friend type beat. It's mainly just like minimalistic pop, like that always has like a snap and a simple pop kick. There's EDM build up and pauses, which isn't that hard to do. Then there's like a trap bass drop or like trap style bass drop because it isn't really trap. Wavy future bass instruments like synths and reverb and ducking and all that type of stuff. And then like with the vocals, there's a lot of auto tune and vocal adjustment effects with vocoders. Then he can like switch up the beat into 3/3 and then 3/4 for the time signature. So yeah, that's pretty much basically how you make a friend type beat.